Yeah, I started posting on YouTube for 7 months, and honestly, it wasn't because I was lazy. I wasn't ready. And let me tell you why and what I'm doing differently this time. Actually, before I even tell you why, I want you to go down to the comment section and comment and let me know, why do you want to post on YouTube? Is it because you want to make an extra stream of income? Do you want to step out your comfort zone? You want to build a following? You want to build a brand? What is the why you are posting on YouTube? Or you want to post on YouTube? While you're doing that, let's jump into it. So the real reason I started posting on YouTube, let's be real. You cannot post one video today and then one video next 2 months and then one video next 3 months and expect to grow and expect to gain a following. That's just not how it works. At least the algorithm. And not everyone is a celebrity, right? Where we could just post one video and it blew up because people are already aware of us. Nobody knows you, girl. No one knows me. We gotta work, okay? I'm gonna be dropping some tips as well in this video, so take note. So first off, I was very consistent on this page and I was very delulu. You got to be delulu about your goals, okay? You can have some delusional goals and work towards it. It's okay. And show up for yourself every single day. Show up like you have 1 million followers, like how I'm showing up now. I am showing up now. Show up like you have 1 million followers. So the first thing I want to let you guys know, when I started posting consistently, I also started my master's program. I'm a mom of 2. Under 4, I am a wife, and I also had an internship, and I'm also was doing other things on social media. So when you think about it, I was doing a lot while still trying to grow a YouTube following. And honestly, for a while it was going good. But then I was burnt out, and I had to make the decision, hey, what are some things I have to cut? Can I actually show up for my community right now on YouTube? And the answer was no. And so I had to make a decision where I had to stop posting on YouTube and focus on other things in my life. For example, school. I had to, and guess what? I'm graduating on Friday. I'm graduating the 24th of this month. Yes, clock it. With my master's degree. Clock it, in social work, by the way. Hi. I did that, and I had to make that decision, and I owned every piece of it. Now I have to work my way back up to build my community and push forward this channel because I want to make it work. It have to work. And so there's a couple of things that I will be doing different moving forward to grow and monetize my channel. And I want to take you along with the journey. So I'm going to be sharing with you how I'm going to grow my channel and how I'm going to be consistent with doing so. First thing first, if you're now starting, you need to get comfortable with the camera. How do you put in tracking mode? I just got a new camera and I wanted to do the tracking mode. When I move, the camera will move with me. Yes, if you're just starting off, you need to get comfortable speaking on camera. What that simply means, you can't just post one video today and expect to post another video next month and be comfortable. That is not how it works, sis. Sir, that is not how it works. What you need to do, you need to sit your camera down like how I sit my camera down. And you need to speak to the camera and post. The only how you will get better is if you post, because then you have data to analyze and see, I like this, I don't like this, my audience like this, they don't like this. Also, I have become so much more comfortable with talking to the camera, talking to my audience. And so that is the only how you're going to get comfortable on camera, is if you practice. Practice. But the only thing holding me back is that I am ashamed to post. I don't know what people would think of me if I post. Okay, your friends would think this way. Your family would think this way. Your co-workers would think this way. To heck with what people think. What do you want? Do you want to post on social media? What is your why that you want to do this? Hence why I asked that in the beginning of this video. What is your why? Hands on your why. And then, based on your why, go just keep posting. You don't need to share your videos with your friends and families and co-worker. In fact, if you're just starting off, I need you to comment down below and put new. And girl, I'm going to go to your page and support you. I'm going to watch your video. I'm going to comment on it, because that is how I actually build my community, because I really want to support you guys. And so, yes, I'm just one person, but when you comment new, other people will comment new, and they're going to see your comment and they're going to go to your page, especially if they like your content. So the other thing is, listen to me. I'm coming up close. I want you to hear me. We are not comparing ourselves to anyone out there. The only person you're comparing yourself to is yourself. Your yesterday, the previous you, the last video you post, compare yourself to that. How can I do better? Ooh, that last video, it was too long. I had a lot of fluff in it. I need to get to the point quicker. Chop. That is who you're comparing yourself to. Your last post, nothing else. The next thing you need to do is figure out your niche. Figure out your niche. What do you want to do? And we talk about why you're creating content. Now, okay, maybe I don't know, I want to do vlogs. Or maybe I want to do finances. Maybe I want to teach people digital products. Maybe I don't know what I want to do. What I want to do. Honestly, I had a hard time trying to figure out what I want to do because, as you guys know, or maybe not know, I like doing a lot of different things. And for that reason, guess what is my niche? Niche, whatever you call it. Me, honey, I am the niche. I am my niche. The niche is me. I decide to build my community around me, the things I love to do and that I'm working towards to build myself every single day. Hence this page. Yes, I share how to grow on YouTube and how to monetize faster and all these things that I have been through. So I'm sharing with you, but I also love making money online, girl. I love making money online. Things I learn, I share with my audience. So who is the niche? Girl, me. So you need to figure out what's yours, okay? When you have that down pack, and maybe you don't know, but you have maybe you have certain areas that you want to talk about, honey, create videos on all those areas. And now you have videos to analyze so you can see, okay, my audience actually like this form of content. So let's make more of this form of content so that I can grow faster. Make sense? So you're kind of testing the waters right now to see what sticks, to see what works, and to see what your audience like. As you continue to be consistent, compare yourself to yourself or your previous video every single day. I know you're thinking about, oh, my thumbnails need to be very exciting. Girl, this probably might be my thumbnail. Okay? Or this. Okay? Or this. Oh, let me sit back here. Oh, this. Okay? That might be my thumbnail. Okay? We're trying to do too much when we're just starting off. Right now, your focus is trying to be consistent, trying to build a following and a community, and trying to find your voice, your style. The only way you can do that is if you be consistent with posting. So the more you post, the more you figure out your style of content that you want to post and what your audience like. And also, when it comes to editing, you're going to learn as you go, honey. But I'm saying is, do not focus on that because that might be stopping you from actually posting your first video or your second video or just starting over like how I am starting over, okay? Just post your content. Over time, you will get better. The next thing you have to know is how are you going to be consistent? I fall short of that and I didn't calculate all the things I had on my plate. I just knew I wanted to make videos for YouTube and I wanted to share my journey and what I've learned along the way so that I can help other people. Whether it be my YouTube journey, my financial journey, how I pay off this loan, like what banks I'm using to save money, like whatever it is I am doing because remember, I am my niche, right? And so, ooh, it's hot. How are you going to figure out how are you going to be consistent? Let me just say, this beeping is not it. Can I be consistent if I start to post on YouTube today? And what does that look like? What consistency look like for me? Is it once a week? Is it, or let's say twice a week? Is it 3 times a week? Figure out what consistency is for you and stick to it. You gotta stick to it, okay? Consistency look different for everyone. Like I say, it doesn't have to be perfect. All you need to do is post. You want to be able to have content that you can analyze. So a month of posting, now you can analyze to see what's working for your channel and we can double down on it. So yes, within doing all of this, eventually you will be able to build a community. And expectation, you need to be realistic in terms of how am I going to grow? Am I going to gain like 1 million followers overnight? No, honey, you got to put in the work. I'm not here to say starting YouTube is going to be easy and you're going to grow fast. Some people, it happens. Some people, we do have to work a little harder. You may have to work a little harder becoming comfortable while talking to the camera. For me, it comes naturally because I kind of have been doing this for a while now, right? So I might have to work on talking to the camera, but I might have to work on other areas. And so are you willing to put in the work that it's going to take you to go to the next level? So I will see you on my next video, okay? Bye.